Let me look at the other side.
I had to get a motorcycle or a ride the bicycles or something. I don't know.
Hello and welcome to this video. We are Dwayne and Belinda Banks, two 60-plus full-time RV travelers. We travel the nation in our 2023 Grand Design Momentum 376 THS. Join our journey. In God's grace we see.
Well, hello y'all, how you doing? As you can see, we are now stationary. We are here at Hezekiah's house, one of my good friends in Goldsboro. We're mooch docking. So we're mooching off them, but it's going to allow me to get this whole issue about being able to wash clothes, our underbelly stuff, because we don't have a tank, so I'm plumbing all that. And if you go back and watch the other video about all this stuff, you'll see where I plumbed the sink. Now I'm plumbing the washer because we need to be able to wash clothes on the road. I got a bunch of it done already. I'm going to take you under there with me and show you some more. All right. Okay, this is the first part that I did, and then this is now the new part right here. It goes up in there, and that's where the washer will drain. So the washer will drain. So I got to connect this to this. So that's what I'm going to do next. Put it. Oh shoot. Baby. Lynn. Go head out and do it. this is what we're looking like. We're gonna let it cure for about a half hour to an hour, and then we'll test it. We'll see what it does. All right. Well, good morning, y'all. Welcome to the end of our mooch docking here in Goldsboro. We are getting ready to head out this morning, and we got our little setup down here for water, getting rid of some gray water, and we got to go out the gate. We got to get out of this little teeny gate, and when I was backing into it, I had to back at an angle because that's a curb out there, and then I was able to get in and get set up right over here. I'd like to thank Hezekiah for inviting us in and letting us mooch dock off of them for a little while. But right now I'm gonna get ready to dump some water, and we're gonna get out of here. We sure are. So we'll see y'all in a little bit.
Okay, the game plan is we're gonna try to. Okay, the game plan is I'm gonna just ease on out, and I'm gonna still stay to the right, but I'm not gonna turn anything until I get back in, gets past the gates, so that we don't have any tail swing issues.
Got it.
All right, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Get back to the line up. Use this front camera on this.
Let me look at the other side.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Right.
Okay, you're good on this, on your passenger side.
Okay, I think I'm good on the driver's side.
You're good on the driver's side.
Now I gotta get so I can turn. Oh, I might have to get in the road.
Go
so
ahead.
I can turn. Yeah, okay. All right.
You're almost out of the gate. Okay, you're out of the gate, pretty much.
I'm out? Okay. So
Yeah.
I can start turning then.
Yes.
Okay. So that now we gotta watch the landing gear.
Okay.
Come up here to the front.
On the right or on passenger or driver?
On the driver's side.
Okay, I got you.
That's gonna be the first one to go down in the front.
Okay, come on.
Let's put up here in the front.
The very front one is high. It's good. I think it's gonna be
Okay.
good.
All right. Good?
Yep. Are you all right on the passenger side? Can you see?
Yeah, I'm good with that pole.
Okay. Well, you're good with the landing gear.
Okay.
I'm looking at the back one. Go ahead. You're good.
Good?
Yeah, it's low, buddy. You got it. You got it.
Good?
You're good. All right, you're out.
Okay, I'm gonna go up here and then we can close the gate.
Okay.
All right, we are on road.
Ava Banks, daughter of Ava Banks.
All right, we on the road, on the road, headed north, and we had a good stay
We did.
at Hezekiah's camp. And we really appreciate that, Hezekiah, man. That helped us out immensely.
Yes,
I mean,
it did.
immensely.
You were able to get a lot of your work done.
Yep. Yeah.
Your plumbing.
The plumbing, so we can wash clothes on the road now, and we don't have to go to the laundromat. We'll get that all. We're gonna get that all taken care of in July. Right now, everything is scheduled for July for us to go to Grand Design.
Oh, what are you doing? I'm
They're
sorry,
gonna
squirrel.
and they're gonna put in a new tank because we don't have a tank at all right
For
now.
the kitchen.
For the kitchen, yeah.
Yeah.
And in the kitchen, the washer dumps into that one too. So that's why all that was going on. But everything seems to be working good. We washed one load just to kind of check things out, and I didn't see any leaks anywhere. Everything worked good. So, but we're on our way to Virginia, so we are starting our trek north. Everything that we canceled, we would be part of the way into
We
that.
would probably be in Connecticut.
Connecticut by now, yeah. So we had to cancel all that. We scrapped it all. So we're going, kind of flying by the seat of our pants right now. We've got the next 3 nights, and then 2 nights. Let me see, the next 3 nights in Virginia, 2 more nights in Virginia because of a place we want to stop at.
Right.
Stay tuned for that. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe so you'll know when we post that. Ring the little bell, and then we go to Gettysburg for 2 nights at 1,000 Trails. And 2 reasons: I like Gettysburg, and plus I want to check out this 1,000 Trails. We've never been there before. Plus it's 1,000 Trails and part of our membership. We need to use it. Then we go to we start heading more towards Connecticut and Massachusetts,
Yes.
and hopefully Rhode Island. So we are gonna have to do some serious planning here in a little while to see how we can get those states, get Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts. I'd love to be able to get that before we go to the rally.
Yes.
So
Sounds good.
sounds good.
Sounds good.
All right, let's ride. So guys, we'll see y'all later. You know how this goes. If we press record, you'll see it. All right, see y'all in a little bit.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on US 301 North. In 3/4.
It's always a guessing game, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Here we are at the pumps. You got, oh, wait a minute. Diesel. $5.90, y'all. We're in Virginia now, and diesel number 2 is $5.90. That's crazy. But we're gonna save some money because we have our card, our Open Roads EFS card, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna save some money. I'll let y'all know how much we get We got about a half a tank of fuel, and we got a 50-gallon tank. So I'm looking somewhere around 25 to 30 gallons. I think I'm gonna start crying. $162.11 for 27.715 gallons of diesel. Guess how much it was?
How much?
$162
$160
for 27.7 gallons.
I had to get a motorcycle or ride the bicycles or something. I don't know.
Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, enjoy the journey on the way to your destination.
With every campsite, we build a